This is Unit 5, Week 2, question number 4. What are some examples of resistance to immigration? Xenophobia, nativism, the promotion of native-born, not Native Americans, not Indians, but people born in the United States, Anglos, Caucasians born here. Xenophobia sparked everywhere, the fear of immigrants. And to promote the values and opportunities for American-born citizens. This exploded in a number of different areas. And however, there were groups that opposed it, predominantly Andrew Carnegie and others, who wanted to welcome the world to immigrants, otherwise known as poor, inexpensive labor to work in their factories and locations. Anyways, these immigrants that came through Ellis Island, or the Chinese that arrived on the west coast through Angel Island, were processed into a country that was kind of iffy on whether to allow them in. Organizations like the IRL, the Immigration Restriction League, formed trying to force either literacy tests on immigrants, not in English, but whether they could even read or write in their native language. But President vetoed these, and Congress ultimately didn't put all of these through because of pressure from monopolists and others to keep up this continual supply of cheap labor. One law and xenophobic policy that did pop up in 1885 was the Chinese Exclusion Act. It set a quota on the number of Chinese that would be allowed into the United States, a total of 0, and it would last for 10 years. It was reauthorized every decade, essentially until the mid-1960s. This, actually 1882, went on the books. Permanent statement of restriction of immigrants from, of course, the most frightening place of all, those who not only look different but aren't even European in their origin. Tremendous xenophobia popped up as a resistance to these tremendous cultural pressures and shifts happening in America as a result of all of these immigrants. That's it from Some Guy in a Aloha print shirt.